Dolly Siegfried Equipment. We found a rare find here. A friend of mine retired and had the Hobart 8600 in storage. The neat thing about it, it was never repainted, original paint, 110 voltage from the factory. It is in immaculate condition with a bowl guard, wire whip, dough hook, flat beater, and the bonus comes with a bowl dolly. The stainless steel bowl is the one set with the, you can put it on the floor with the ring. It's in immaculate condition both inside and out, and it's a rare opportunity for someone that wants a Hobart mixer with 4-speed in tip-top condition. This is it.